Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and running iOS 16 or later because lock screen editing relies on that. Once confirmed, go straight to Settings and tap Wallpaper, or simply press and hold the lock screen itself to enter edit mode. This is faster. Make a quick backup by screenshotting your current layout or noting widgets and fonts so you can revert if needed. Once done, tap Customize or the plus icon to create a new lock screen canvas and proceed. Now you pick your wallpaper source, photos, a monochrome color, or live photo, and crop or reposition it to keep faces and focal points visible. Make sure to toggle perspective zoom off if you want precise placement. Then tap the widget area under the clock and add relevant widgets like calendar, battery, or weather for glanceable info. You can also change the clock font and color for legibility and aesthetic consistency. Once done, consider linking this lock screen to a focus to auto-switch contexts. When you finish tweaking, tap Done and choose Set as Lock Screen or Set for both so the change takes effect immediately. If you need to switch later, long press the lock screen to open the gallery and select, edit, or delete versions. If your new lock screen won't save, make sure the phone has up-to-date iOS, then reboot it. Many stubborn glitches clear after a restart. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud or check screen time and configuration profiles that might restrict changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.